YouTube? It's your boy Steph with the Urban Slurs. We got another good one for you today. Alright, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe. Like to help me get out the community. Subscription help people come to my channel. Don't become a YouTube dasher. YouTube dasher, someone watches anybody's video and leave without leaving a subscription. Please don't do that. The more subscriptions for my channel, it helps me out the most. I'm a baby. And I'm trying to grow. And comments help me do videos exactly like this one. Shout out to Will again. I told you. Will, he or she, I'm not sure who that is, they told me to do more female inspired metal bands, and they gave me two. I told them to send me, I know they just gave me two names. Infected Rain was one, and I did the other one earlier, so y'all check that video out. And this is Infected Rain, Orphan Soul. So she didn't tell me exactly which ones to do, so I kind of just picked one. And we're going to check this one out. Hopefully it's good. The first one was pretty cool because the female was doing the metal stuff, and she was singing, and she was kind of rapping. So it was kind of cool. It was like a little mixture of everything. So it's kind of interesting, you know what I'm saying? I'm still getting used to all the yelling and stuff. Y'all already know how I feel about that. I'm just still trying to learn and increment myself into the normancy of just the yelling and stuff. I'm not used to that yet, but I'm starting to learn how to catch some of the bars. It's still tough, but I'm learning, and in the end, it's just great musicality. That's one thing that a lot of people don't talk about. Like, well, I don't talk about, especially coming from what I used to listen to, just music in general. Like the instruments, they just at the end he was just killing the guitar. You know, the drummer, you gotta get a drummer A+, because that's all they do is just do a great job. So anyway, neither here nor there. We're gonna check this one out. Infected Rain. What I was about to say. I wasn't here yesterday, so I apologize to everybody. I said I was gonna try to increment some extra videos today just to kind of make up for what I didn't do yesterday. You'll see why later, why I didn't do anything yesterday. Hopefully later today. But we're about to we're gonna get some sports on my channel, because you know sports is about to open back up for the NBA, and I want people to have a little debates on my channel about that. So neither here nor there. We're gonna get into that. And oh boy, yeah, let's get into it. But anyway, this is Infected Rain, Orphan Soul. Let's check it out. Uh-oh. There was that teddy bear again. I listened to Imagine. I watched the Imagine Dragons video, and it was teddy bears everywhere. I was like, that's creepy. I like her hair. Let's see if she as good as the other girl. She's pretty. Like I said in the other video, man, I need some hair so I can grow my hair out so I can start bobbing. She said, I used to be your daughter, I used to be your princess. I actually heard that. And the name of the song is Orphan Soul. So maybe she's saying she's talking to the dad how I was when I was little, and look at me now. Let me go back a little bit. I know you don't remember mine. I used to be your daughter, I used to be your princess. Your heart and your soul, I heard that. That's deep. Hey. Oh, I'm liking this already. Oh man. That's cute. Oh man. I hear the music coming in too. That's tough. Hey. Get it. See, I love metal like this. I love it when there's clearly the instrument, but when the little computer music come in behind it and they're yelling, but they're yelling singing like that. I love that so much. That's why I like Chester so much from Linkin Park. Like anybody send me more metal like this, I don't care male or female. If they can yell, sing, oh man, I'm instantly in love. I'm dead serious. I'm so serious. I love that yell, sing junk. But you got to be able to sing with it, and that's it's very hard. I bet you it's hard to do that. You know what I'm saying? Cause it's a melody thing. That's tough. I want to go back a little bit. Look how it just. It's tough. If I can close my eyes to this, that's tough. I gotta throw my hat on this. It's tough, man. Come on, man. That's awesome. This is awesome. This is going on my playlist. Straight up. I love it. I ain't gonna lie, I'm not even sure what she's saying, but it sounds so good. I can work out to this. I hope you are proud. This is beautiful, yo. I don't know if there's any Orphan Soul fans out there. I know Will is. Will, tag me in the comments, or any of the Orphan Souls fans out there. Tag me in the comments and let me know the meaning behind this story. I know, was she an orphan? You know, was the parents there for her, or were they not there for her? I want to know the full story in my description, so y'all let me know. That's tough. You got a reason to breathe. That's tough. The empty house has broken dreams and broken hearts. I think that's what she said. I love this song. Oh my God, I love this. I want to talk about the video. It looked like the mom and dad is fighting, but this is so beautiful, yo. I gotta go back. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. This is amazing. Instant play. Y'all already know how I do on my channel. Instant playlist. This is going on my playlist tomorrow. That's tough. Oh, please. Oh, wow. She gonna sing too. She said, I'm done drowning in She said, I'm done drowning in these tears of sorrow. She said, I'm done. That's tough. I can catch these bars. I'm done drowning in these tears of sorrow.
Suffocating in this endless hollow, suffocating, burning in this freezing, scary silence. I'm getting tired.
She's beautiful, yo.
I know I'm waiting for something.
She's just sitting here just waiting for something. That's tough. Here you go. Oh, they ain't gonna let it end. She's waiting for something, but that's tough. That's tough. That's tough. I like that. I like that. I like that, man. I'm giving y'all a mad challenge out there in this world, man. I'm giving y'all a mad challenge. Please tag me. My goal is to find a lot of metal bands or metal groups or whatever, female or male, that has melody with their singing. Don't just, I know there are some people who just enjoy the yelling by itself, and that's cool, you know what I'm saying? I love it when they yell with a melody. Like, that was beautiful. The song earlier was amazing too, but that song earlier was amazing because she was rapping, she was yelling, and she was singing. This one was a yell melody, and then the beat, the song behind it, it was just amazing. Then it had the drums behind it, then it had the it's almost like a Linkin Park. That was amazing, yo. That was awesome as shit. So please tag me in the comments below, man. I love that one, man. Wow. So that's my goal. Y'all hit me in the comments below. Tell me some more metal bands and metal groups that have melody to it. That's my whole goal, is to hear some melody. And I'll react to them. I'm telling you, I'll react to them. I'm still going to react to metal anyway, regardless, because I'm still going to check out the lyrics and stuff. But I love that, man. And I don't know enough about any metal to just pick my own stuff. So y'all tag me, man. I appreciate that. Hopefully there's, I'm going to pray right now tonight that there are fans out there for this. What is the name of this group? I went away. Hold on. The name of this group is Infected Rain. I'm praying that there are fans out for Infected Rain, because there are. Tag me in the comments below. That was amazing. Straight up. Anyway, you have a desktop or laptop, there's a button at the bottom right hand side of the screen. It looks like a little pillow. Just click it, helps you to instantly subscribe. If you have just a phone or a tablet, just subscribe, hit the notification bell. If you want to see my stuff as I update it, I put about 2 to 3 to 4 videos a day. So I'm not a regular channel. I put a lot of content out. So y'all tag me. The music world is literally trillions and trillions of songs. I'm not going to ever get to all of them because it's impossible unless you're Superman. But I can get to a lot of them. So y'all tag me in the comments below. And we out. I'm the Urban Experience, where we do things the urban way.